put some color. I got Hatchimals for my birthday, and so I'm going to show you them. So what we have here is we have this pony. We have this pony, and it has like pretty purplish, bluish, and pinkish wings. It's very pretty, and it has a purple and blue tail. It has some pink and yellow braided hair behind her. She has very long hair. Oh, hi.
All right, girl, do your little show, please.
Okay. I have a baby. I have a baby little horse, a corn. A little baby tiny whiny. I have another big horse with pink wings and blue and purple. I think that's the same tail as, yeah. The blue and purple tail, like the other one I showed you, has blue and green hair. And she has scissors in her hand. If you look very close, you see that scissors right here? That's scissors. Okay, what else we have? Oh, we have, oops. I will say this one first. And then the other. I have this horse that has pink hair. Her hair is also pretty long. She has pink wings. She has a blue and yellow tail. The other ones have blue and purple tail. So what else we have is this little, oops, I can go get this one. And so I got this little tiny cutie. I have 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 this little tiny cutie. And I have these tiny cuties also. I have these little tiny cuties. Doop, doop. And so you see I have this. So for some reason it comes with a slide. I don't know. You can see that? Okay, good. It came with the slide, and it also came with a pool floaty. Let's see if I can try to get it in. Down, down. A pool floaty, a unicorn pool floaty. And is there a flag? There's not a pole on the top of this right now. So you have to lift this up, and then on the And then inside, there's a pool in there. And you can put this right on the side. I'll get that set up for you. So I have this pool. There's like that little thing. This is the pool. This is the pool. So this is the pool. This is a diving board. So that's what this little slide is for. This slide is for. And that's also what this pool floaty is for. So you put the slide somewhere by the pool and the floaty somewhere. But before I show you how you put it in the floor, so you see this right here, this little wall right here, watch this. Boom. Now look, it looks like a real, and then you can put this right here. And it's like a giant place. And then let me put it in the pool stuff. I don't know if I showed you this, but so look, you see their wings right here? I'll show you a different one, a small one. Okay, so you see their wings right here? So you can actually take their wings off. Now look, they're a little pony now. They're not a unicorn because they don't have wings. But it's okay, you can put their wings back on. I just took them off to show you. Now their wings are back on. So this is what it looks like with the ponies in. This looks like a cool party right there inside. Yeah, like that. And when you're done playing, you can just keep the ponies inside of them there, and then put it on this on top. This on top. Oh. Forgot to do something. But first you had to close that up first, because then everything's just gonna fall out. Okay? Okay? Got it? I think you got it. Thanks for watching. Bye. Thanks for watching. Bye.
You stopped it?
I don't know how to stop.
You hit the red? Y'all look, I put Winifred's water on and forgot. Look how full the bathtub is. She was filming her video and I went in my room and forgot the bath water was on.
That's your fault, Naughty.
Yeah.
Your fault.
It is.